All right, welcome back, English 10B. Let's take a look at Rule 3.2, make the verb agree with its subject without being confused with words that come in between. Let's take a look at exercise number 1 first. Circle the correct verb form. The gifts underneath the tree look or looks awesome. Okay, again, so the idea here is to make sure that you guys know what the subject of the sentence is. The subject of the sentence is the main actor of the sentence. Don't be confused with additional nouns that are inside the sentence that could distract you. Go ahead and pause here and get through numbers 1 through 4. We'll come back to look at the key. All right, let's take a look. The gifts underneath the tree look awesome. Gifts look. 2, the level of chemicals and other air pollutants is now monitored in many offices. Level is monitored. 3, the group of students is expected to sit quietly in their seats. Group is expected. 4, the Fruit Loops in my bowl look tasty. Fruit Loops look tasty. All right, let's just jump back over to exercise number 2. This is a corrective exercise. So directions, locate the sentences with incorrect verbs. If the verb is incorrect, cross it out and write the correct verb. For sentences that are correct, write a C next to them. All verbs should remain in their original tense. It may be helpful to identify the main subjects and main verbs before correcting any errors. Go ahead and pause here and work out 1 through 10. All right, let's take a look. You're going to notice that I've highlighted in yellow all of the subjects of the sentence. So looking at number 1, for example, the colors of last night's sunset were the most brilliant in many weeks. Colors were brilliant. 2, the bright red apples in the wooden bowl look almost too good to eat. That is correct. Apples look. 3, every time he uses it, the bottom rungs on the old ladder break from the large man's weight. Rungs break. 4, Henry, along with a couple of his friends, is coming for supper. That is correct. Henry is coming for supper. Again, just kind of put your thumb or cross out the dependent clause if it's confusing you. 5, the lights in the living room are bright. Lights are bright. 6, the heat together with the humidity is making it difficult for both teams. Heat is making it difficult. Again, notice the 2 commas separating out the dependent clause. Just remove it. Forget about it. Heat is making. 7, another dependent clause separated out with 2 commas. The hedgehog, as well as the shrew and the mole, is fond of eating insects. Hedgehog is fond. 8, the flavors of the restaurant's famous taco, were distinctive and wonderful. Flavors were distinctive and wonderful. 9, I hope the passengers in the plane stay calm during the unexpected turbulence. This one might be a little bit harder to see, but I did a strike through here. Passengers stay calm. And 10, the recipe for our grandmother's famous rolls needs to be doubled at Thanksgiving. Recipe needs to be doubled.